Hello, here's a very quick recipe for chicken drums that are juicy and packed with flavor. To make this recipe, you'll need olive oil, salt, black pepper. I've included all the measurements here, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and Italian seasoning. Go ahead and whisk your ingredients together. And when they are nicely mixed, you're going to add clean chicken. I'm using 8 drumsticks here for those measurements. Go ahead and toss the drumsticks in the seasoning mixture until each piece is nicely coated, and make sure everywhere is well coated with the seasoning. And then go ahead and lay them out on a baking tray that is lined. You do not need to marinate this chicken. The flavors will infuse as you bake it. Bake it at 425 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes, and then you're going to take it out and flip the pieces over just for uniform cooking and browning. So flip the pieces over quickly and then bake for an additional 10 minutes, again at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and your chicken will be ready. Yeah, so return it in the oven and then it's done after 35 minutes total. Go ahead and garnish with some fresh parsley or cilantro, and your chicken is ready. Enjoy, and I hope to see you in another video. Thank you very much for stopping by.